Hello and welcome to your new computer. You have received or will be receiving a 2020 MacBook Pro. This computer has a 13.3-inch Retina True Tone display, a backlit keyboard, a massive 512 gig solid-state hard drive, 16 gigs of RAM, and it weighs 3.1 pounds. When you open your computer box, you're going to find your 13-inch MacBook Pro, you're going to find a USB-C charge cable, as well as your 61-watt USB-C power adapter. Your computer has a touch bar, Touch ID, power button at the top. This touch bar is dynamic and will change based on the application you are using. The Touch ID and power button, all the way to the far right, will allow you to, of course, turn on the computer, but also use your fingerprint to log in. At the top of your screen, you'll find your FaceTime HD Camera. On the left side of the computer, you're going to find two USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports. Perfect for, of course, charging your computer. You can plug in external displays and any other USB-C devices. On the right side of your laptop, you'll find your headphone speaker jack. If you have regular USB devices, you can purchase and use USB-C adapters. On the Apple website, you'll find USB-C to USB adapters for $19. You'll find USB-C digital AV multi-port adapters for $69. Or if you visit Amazon or Staples or Office Depot, you'll find USB to USB-C adapters fairly inexpensively. If you need additional ports for your computer, we do recommend the StarTech 4K USB-C dock. You can purchase this in Workday by following the instructions at the bottom of the screen. This docking station provides you 3 additional USB ports, 2 additional USB-C ports, an Ethernet port, 1 HDMI port, and 2 display ports, as well as additional audio ports. Your computer is running Mac OS Catalina. This is the newest Mac operating system. This operating system offers a new feature called Sidecar, where you can actually use your iPad as an external display. Simply search for Sidecar on your computer, and it will walk you through the process of connecting your iPad as an external display. Mac OS Catalina also offers new entertainment apps, including Apple Music, Apple Podcasts, and Apple TV. These all replace iTunes. Let's talk about the software on your computer. Information Systems has already installed Microsoft Office 365, the VPN, Firefox, Chrome, and CrashPlan. One little note about Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Office is now subscription-based, meaning you'll need to sign in every 3 to 6 months using your Wake Forest credentials. Of course, the VPN is also installed. This is great for accessing network drives and printers from off-campus. You can also, of course, compute safely when you're in public by using the VPN. CrashPlan is also installed, of course. CrashPlan is our automated backup solution where your data is stored on 2 servers here at our data center. Your data is very safe as it is encrypted twice, once on the way to the servers and again at the servers. And your backups are being made automatically every 15 minutes. You can use CrashPlan on your computer to restore any deleted files. You can also open a web browser and go to crashplan.wfu.edu, sign in, click on Devices on the left, look for your computer, then all the way on the right click Restore. You can then drill down into your computer's file structure, check the box next to any file you wish to restore, and click the Restore button. What's great about this website is that you can access this website on any device, anywhere in the world. You don't have to be connected to Wake Forest, you don't have to be on a Wake Forest computer, nor do you have to be using VPN. This is very handy. For any other Wake Forest licensed software that you wish to install on your computer, visit software.wfu.edu. Now, if you need to print from your computer, go to is.wfu.edu and look for the article Set Up Xerox Printer on Mac. Follow those instructions closely. Keep in mind you will have to have the printer name ready. If you are a new Mac user, we have a few things to let you know. Your computer is not joined to the Wake Forest domain like Windows computers are. That means when we change our network password every 6 months, this will not affect your login credentials on the Mac. If you wish to change your login credentials on your Mac, you'll need to click the Apple menu, System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and then Change Password. A few extra things to know: to connect to your network drives, such as admin2 or ACAD1, click the Go menu, then click Connect to Server, then type smb:// your drive's name. When it comes to managing files, please know that you can always control-click on any file to rename it, to open it with a specific application, to preview it, or of course to set permissions such as password protection. This is very similar to the menu you would see on a Windows computer when you right-click on a file. If you are someone moving from Windows to Apple, you might have a little bit of a learning curve. So we'd like to point out some of the similarities. In the top left corner, you'll see the Apple menu and menu bar. Those are just like the Windows Start menu. On the right, you'll see the menu bar status icons, which are very similar to the system tray status icons on a Windows computer. At the bottom, you'll see the dock. This is just like the Windows taskbar. In the dock, all the way on the left, you'll see the Finder. This is very much like the Windows File Explorer. We also like to point out the Spotlight, this little search option. This is very much like the search bar in your Windows computer. Also, if you're brand new to the Mac, when you're opening and closing windows, the red button closes the window, not the application. The yellow button minimizes the window into the dock, and the green button maximizes and restores the window. If you do need to close the entire application, click the application name on the menu bar at the top, and then select Quit. If you'd like to see all of your applications on the computer, you can open up your Launchpad. It's a 4-finger pinch on the trackpad, or you can click the little rocket in your dock. If you would like to see all of your open applications or windows, you can use your Mission Control. This is a 3-finger swipe up on your trackpad. Also, I mentioned system preferences before. You can access your system preferences very similar to the control panel by going into your Apple menu and clicking System Preferences. If you need any help with your new computer, or if you're interested in technology training, please visit is.wfu.edu to read all of our great articles. You can always call the service desk at extension 4357, or visit the service desk in ZSR Library, or you can chat with us at is.wfu.edu. To learn more, visit the PDC website at pdc.wfu.edu. We hope you enjoy your new computer.